I need to go back to what the original Bible said. When you do your research, originally it was Christ, woman, child. Christ, woman, child. This is why when you go to other countries, and I saw it a lot when I was in Argentina, they'd have a melanated woman with a child, and this is who they would pray to: Christ, woman, child. And the issue is that you hear all the time, man, woman, child. The problem is that man has replaced Christ with himself. There's a problem there because now she's trying to follow a being that she's not supposed to be following. And I know people get upset with me. I get it. I'm just telling you what the facts are. I'm telling you that I haven't even gone into the molecular structure of what's really going on. I love my brother. I love my brother. I love my brother. But I need it to be made clear that this path that we're on is changing. I'm not telling you, oh, you should change. No. The universe is correcting itself. The universe is correcting. This is not on me. I'm just letting you know what is happening. Whether you want it to happen or not, this is what is happening. And you can either, one, pay attention, or two, get run over by what is about to happen. There is a correction being made right now. This is why you see women coming up. This is why you see women regaining their power and their knowledge. This also needs to be made clear. This doesn't mean, women, that you should be disrespectful to your brother and hateful and negative. Doesn't mean that at all. But you do need to understand who you are and what your powers are and how to stand in them without being disrespectful to him. So we're understanding that at this time there is a correction going on. And so we got to understand how we got into this place so that we don't see ourselves back here again, because once again, the lion and the gazelle are on the same vibratory frequency. Whatever energy you put out, it must come back. I've said this time and time again. My brother is my sister, but he is also a spiritual entity, and he never dies, just like you never die. You're going to see him again. You're going to see him again. Make sure that whatever energy you put out now is good, so that when you see him again, it's all love. The same thing with the melanated people and the albions. Those are your people, melanated folks. The albion, they your people. Just two spiritual entities coming back in here and fighting. Remember I told you that the original slaves in the Americas, they were albions. They were getting stepped on, discombobulated, mistreated, and everything else when they were being brought into this land. Who brought them here? Moors of Morocco, Tunis, Algiers, all your bandit countries, your so-called Barbary countries. Those are the ones stealing the albions from different lands like Ireland, Sicily, kidnapping them, and then enslaving them as children in this land. You should have been asking how so many of them got here. Okay. Well, you step on them, and then next thing you know, we hear the 1800s, and the Albion is running amok, and they inward this and inward and hateful. Why? Where's that energy coming from? That's not happenstance. Who was those Albions in here doing all this mistreatment of the melanated people, and why? Who's in the prison industrial complexes? You want to know who kidnapped them Albions? Go to the prison industrial complex. It's clear who they are when you know law. When you know law, it's clear who they are. They're getting a return of energy. And so, sisters, as you rise, make sure that your energy is high vibrational. Make sure you show a lot of love to your brother, because what do they say? You're going to coming down, you're going to see the same people you saw on the way up. Don't disrespect your brother. Don't disrespect the Albion. Don't disrespect anybody, because you look, you're on the same vibratory frequency. They are your reflection. So make sure you're respectful to all of them at all times, because you're going to see them again. So, women, you're regaining all of your powers. You're regaining your knowledge. You are the original Sibyls and oracles. So now, as you regain your knowledge and your powers, make sure that you use them. Don't power trip. Don't disrespect your brother, because we already did that. My whole point of this is to make sure we don't end up back here again.